Okay, so you're in the biological macromolecules, and then you want to go to the experimentation, start with the starch and sugar, and then you'll scroll down to the box where there is a D2L symbol. Here we go. That means D2L submission, which is this figure. So you can just click on this. I wrote this. So you can click on the little word box to edit it, or the bubble. And then you can, I added mine, but you can add the link. You can add it like this. It's not that pretty, but that's okay. Or you can add it with words. So what I would do is add the link, highlight it, and then put the, I'm not sure if it auto creates it, but put the links here. And then you can put the URL, and then you could change the text if you want to. I did it. Instructions and template, maybe figure instructions and template. Okay. And then since it's not really that different of a color, I've highlighted it and underlined it, so it's obvious that it's a link. Okay, then you just save, and that's the one place. And then once they click there, if everything works, then they should go to a Google slide, which has instructions for making the figure, and then some templates, one example that they can replace pictures and labels and stuff. This is not what theirs is going to look like. This is a different Benedict's test experiment, so if they, I guess I should write that in there, but it's just an example of things that I had. And then they have their figures, and then they will download that and upload it to your D2L assignment with a Dropbox, like a file submission Dropbox for the SI biological macromolecules. I think that's what it's called. Biological macromolecules, yeah, for that assignment. And then the other page, proteins and lipids page. And see, we're going to have to add these little dealios here to take pictures and make figures, because those aren't in the assignment. They are for the one I actually made from scratch, which is the enzymes, which I made it based off of theirs, but I redid it so we could add some stuff to it or take away some things. But the other ones, if you want any pictures of proof or data, we're going to have to add these, so we can talk about that a little bit later, because I don't think we're quite there yet for the other ones. But here's your D2L again, and so what I wrote, and so you have to push your little edit button. This is already written, but for the part here, I guess, use the template you downloaded, because they're going to download the template themselves or make a copy. Say copied into their Google account, but if they don't have one, they can download it and use it in PowerPoint. Use the template you copied to make figure 1 and 2. Same. There we go. If you didn't yet, then I linked the instructions again here the same way. And then you would do your save. They have a name system that's already in there. And then that should be it. So they should know after they're done with making their figure, they need to put it in the Dropbox. And then, they do go to D2L and do that. So that's what you need to do for your biological macromolecules to make sure they know what to do with their figures and where to put them.